Hello loves, welcome to Unique Mix by Christina. Welcome to my channel, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. This is actually a requested video on what I do with the Temu plastic PVC rings. So I'm going to show you what I do with mine to give you some more ideas on how you could use them. Now this is not the only ways, but I'm going to show you my ways. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this. Alright, so the first thing I want to show you are these binder rings. And I really love these because they are not only made out of plastic, but they're easy to cut. All you cut them is with scissors. Let me show you one here. And they're easy to open and close. Okay, so here's one piece. This one was already cut, and like I said, I cut it with scissors. Now you could go with scissors and go a little closer, you know, so it's not so much sticking out. But all you do is, it's already open, so all you do is put them together to close it, and it snaps there, and you can open it just by pulling it. So it's really simple to use these. I really like this because you can use it for mini albums, tag flips, and stuff like that. You can even create little notebooks with it, except for that, if you want to use that, and I'll have a picture on the video, but you have to get the punch that fits the measurement here. And usually for the Temu ones, the ones that really go for this are like the notebook coil ring. So you know how the spiral notebook has a coil? These are basically the same size and dimension going between. So with that said, you can't use just any type of hole punch. You have to use one that's good for coil notebooks. Those are usually the ones that you can use, but like I said, I will put the dimensions in the video so you can see what the dimensions are, and you can look it up when you buy, if you want to make little notebooks. So I want to show you, I mainly like to cut them up for my mini journals like that and add them to that. But say you want to create your own little notebook and whatnot, I do have two types of hole punches that does work with the Temu ones, which I will link below in the description. One is a 10 hole and this one is a 5 hole. And like I said, you can get some of these on Temu also, and Amazon that has a 5 hole, and this will work great with this one. This one would too. This one from Temu would also, like I said, all you gotta do is cut these ones. Now these are the PVC flexible ones, are the ones that are cuttable. This one's are more of a harder plastic, so you can't cut those, okay? So do make sure on which one. The one I will be posting in the video is the PVC plastic. So you can cut easy. But like I said, if you want to make like little journals or whatnot, little notebooks, you can use one of these two punches, depending on if you want to do 5 or 10, whatever. So let me show you how easy this is. So for the hole punch for the 5, let's do the 10 one first. So let me show you this one first. So we'll line it up, and it does go from like A5, so they got different numbers, okay? Because you can do them with the notebook size, all right? So we're just gonna put this one here. We'll measure it out there. And this is just a quick one. I'll put it there. Just to show you. Okay, say I wanted to do a notebook like this. And I'll figure out how many of these rings I need. So I need about 10 of them. So I'll cut right there. Okay, so you could easily do your little notebooks. So that's for the 10 one. So the same goes with the 5. Let's do this one real quick. Like I said, they do have the mark on where you could put your 5. Say you want to go more than just a 5. Okay, so there goes your 5. Same thing. You count your 5 that you need, and then you just cut it and then clip it. Super easy on that. And like I said, if you wanted to do a mini journal, which is what I mainly do it with, and tag flips and stuff like that, I love using these because they're durable. They are plastic. You get a lot of them, and you can cut them. And you can make little notebooks. You can make little, you know, anything really with this. Except you must remember, if you're going to make it into, if you want to use this as a whole or as in different pieces, you must get the hole punch at the dimension in between this binder to that one will fit the punch. Okay, not all punches are created the same, but I will put these 2 that I use in the description below. I will put the little PVC binder rings in there, and yeah, and like I said, you can have fun creating, and I love using it for my mini albums because it makes it super easy, real nice, and you could add a little color, you know, adds a little color to match your theme. So yeah, that is my little tutorial and how you can use the Temu binder rings. If you have any questions, do leave a comment below. I love answering your questions and stuff like that, and I love hearing from you. Not all binder rings are the same. This one's a hard plastic, this one is flex. The PVC plastic is cuttable, and that's the one I like to use because you get at least 10 for, like, I think 2 something, and you could use them for all kinds of projects. Or you can get the plastic which already have 5. It's up to you. You just let your creativity run wild. And yeah, if you use the PVC binder rings, please leave a comment below, leave a picture or anything, or link a video that you created. I would love to see more ideas on it. But yeah, I hope this helps. Make sure you like the video, leave a comment because I sure do love to hear from you. Hit the notification if you haven't, and do subscribe. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye bye.